How to connect Amazon Prime to Crunchyroll. I'm going to teach you how you can connect your Amazon Prime account to your Crunchyroll. First, pull up a browser. Next, just type in Amazon Prime Crunchyroll. And then the one that is through Amazon.com, the one that only says Crunchyroll, just hit that. And from here, you will see that you can actually try them for free. But be mindful that Amazon Prime will be $14.99 per month after 30 days, and Crunchyroll will be $7.99 after 7 days. So if you hit continue, just sign in with your email address, and that's how you can connect Amazon Prime to Crunchyroll.